Hello, welcome back to Royce the Boy. Now today I've got to fix my own lawnmower. Yeah. Trying to start it this afternoon. It ain't working. Like my new shirt. Yeah, been out today to a 1940s sort of reenactment thing today. Big show sort of thing there, local to where I am. Come back. I need to cut my grass for tomorrow. Because tomorrow I'm doing a big yard sale in the front garden with some friends of mine as well. I need to cut the grass. Got to start my own lawnmower, and it ain't working. So let's go see what's wrong with it and see if I can fix it quick. Right, okay, so this is my mower in front of you. So what I'm going to do is now, I'm just going to try and start it just to show you that it is not working. Right, okay, so what I've first done, I've put a new spark plug on it, and I've got my spark tester on it as well, just to make sure, really to kill two birds with one stone, really. So let's go see if it sparks. Right, okay, so with my assistant I've got today, he's going to try and start it for me, and we'll see if we've got a spark in the spark plug. So, okay, if you try and start that for me, please. Again. Okay, thanks very much, that's it. Right, so as you saw, there was no spark in there whatsoever, so I'm going to take the recoil cover off and we're going to go and check the coil. Well, okay, to take this recoil off, you've got 3 bolts. You've got one here, there's one the other side, and there's one at the front, I should say, all 10mm. So I'll just get my electric driver off. Take these off very quickly. That's it, 1, 2. That's it, and we'll take that off, put that to the side. Right, okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to test the coil now with a multimeter. What I'm going to do first, as it happens, I think I'm going to take this off so I can get, I've got to get underneath the carburetor, underneath the coil, and take a clip off, electric wire off. That's a bit tight. Take that off, that's it. Right, and so underneath there is a little clip, and we'll just get this pair of pliers off. It's not coming out. Oh, it came off easy enough anyway. Right, so what you do is you get your multimeter and you set it to 20k here. Right, middle one is positive. That was that. So what you do is you set one. That's it there. Right, so you can see that. So what we do is we put the positive bit inside there, where the spark plug goes, and then on the ends you check that. Ooh, so that could be the spark plug. I mean the coil not working. So there should be working. We'll try the other way around. Right, so as you saw, that coil doesn't seem to be working, so I'll take this coil off and stick another coil on, because it doesn't seem to be working. Just what I'll do first, I'm going to see if I can take that nut off there. That was it, and we'll see if the coil works now. No. Right, I'm definitely not getting no readings on this coil. You can't see it because I've got it on my table here, and I'm not getting no readings. So that means that coil is gone. So we'll take this coil off. Make that go bigger. No, that's not working on that. Well, I'll take this off and we'll come back to you. Right, okay. Just going to show you that this one does work, and this is the reading where it should be. So I put that onto there like that, and it is low, but that is a good coil, and hopefully this is what's going to solve this problem. Right, okay. Maybe the reason why this coil was gone, what I noticed as well, when I pulled that coil off of there, I've noticed that this lead, which goes underneath, has broken. So trying to pull that has shortened that coil out. So what I should show you is that lead. Really, there should be a clip on there. So that clip is broken, and it looks like the wire has gone underneath the flywheel and got caught and ripped off and shortened out. So it shortened out the coil. So I need to find another one of these leads as well, these, which goes onto the back of there, and I'll show you how to put one of those on as well. So this guy said I've got another lead, and we'll do that. Okay, so what we will do first is we'll take this off of here. Take that off, put that there. And to get this off, it's quite simple, is that you just push this clip down, and that comes out, and that should then theoretically come out of there. And that is what's happened there. So here I do have another lead, so we'll try and get that through to there. Go this way underneath, which is going to be quite difficult now, I think. Here we go. It's making it quite hard for me. Right. Okay, we'll try from a different direction. Right, okay, you see I've put it from underneath this time, and I've managed to pull it through, and then we just push that clip down, and then it's done. And just pull it in a little bit underneath, and then pull that up a bit. That's it, and that should be done. I've got another spare clip here, and what that does there, that should clip onto there like that, and then this wire there should go underneath. I'm trying to do this with one hand because I've got the camera in my hand at this time. Right. That's That's it. And then this goes underneath through there, and then when I put the coil back on it should go there. Right, okay, so what we do is then that goes into there like that, and then that goes onto there. Now what we normally do is we bring that round to the magnets, hold it on like that, and then what I'll do is I'll get a credit card out. There's one here as happens. Use this credit card, and what you do is you put that into there, onto there, and that gives you your gap as a rough estimate. So then we'll put this back on. Like so. That's it. And the same with this one. And then you just turn that out, and that should bring this card out like that, and that's your gap done. So then what we do is there as well, we've got to get this back into there, which I should have put that in first before I bolted it, but I didn't. So I've got to unloosen that again now to get that back in. See, even I can make mistakes. That's it. Now I've got to put that card back in as well. Now because I've adjusted it, haven't I? See, this is because I'm trying to rush it because I need to get my garden done. That's it. That's it. And then bring it out, it's done. Okay, so that is back on. Now before I go any further, before I say anything else, has somebody spotted the mistake? If you did, let me know in the comments. I did make a mistake, so let's see if you figured it out. Okay, so let's get this recoil cover back on, and then get it back on the deck, and hopefully it's going to work. Okay, and then we'll put the 3 screws back in, if I can find them. One goes there on the front, one on the back, on this side, and there should be one more around here somewhere. Here it is, which goes onto the back there, which I'm trying to do blind. There we go. Okay, so we'll get the 10mm socket back on. Get that one as well. And then hopefully we can get to this one. That's it, done. That should be alright. Put the spark plug on, and then we get the electric switch cover back on as well. Right, okay, so we'll just put this filter back on. Better check it's got fuel in it as well. Yeah, there should be enough fuel in there. Just get the screwdriver. Do that up tight. There should be a gasket under there, but I can't find it at the moment. So just making sure that works. Now we put it down on the deck and we'll try and try it. Right, okay, so it's on the deck there. I've put some more fuel in it, so let's go and have a look, see if it starts. Right, so there you are, it's all working again. Now I can go and cut my grass. What it was is the, as you saw, the electrical wire that goes from the switch to the coil had got caught underneath the flywheel and snapped, and it looks like it's shortened out the coil. So I've changed the coil, changed the lead, and it's now back and working. So yeah, that's all there is on this one. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget, if you like this one, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget that little notification bell down the bottom. Make it go completely grey, and then you will know when I'm doing another video. So that's all there is from this one. Until next time, cheerio.